All right, the Protist Rap, here we go. Protista can be called the junk drawer of science, cause they're hard to categorize. I'm not lying. Single cell and many cells, heterotroph or autotroph, like an animal, a plant, a fungi. They're pretty dope. Most protists are unicellular, kelp is not. So protists move, others stay in one spot. Some seek the sun's light, make food with chloroplasts. Others chase and eat their food. They need to move fast. Paramecium, a single cell protist, an active little single cell. You gotta know this, like an animal, cause it moves all around. Heterotrophic, always searching for food to chow down. Food passageway, lined with cilia, that will move to bring food in, that will fill you. Digestive enzymes in the food vacuum will break down food, create energy for the cell. Food waste excreted through the anal pore, contractile vacuole, moving water out of the cell. Paramecium travel by wave and lots of cilia move 2 millimeters per second. That's good trivia. Like other cells, paramecium have a nucleus. To actually listen up to this, macronucleus, the control center of the cell. Micronucleus passes genetic material. Protista can be called the junk drawer of science, cause they're hard to categorize. I'm not lying. Single cell and many cells, heterotroph or autotroph, like an animal, a plant, a fungi. They're pretty dope. Most protists are unicellular, kelp is not. Some protists move, others stay in one spot. Some seek the sun's light, make food with chloroplasts. Others chase and eat their food. They need to move fast. Amoebas, another kind of protist. They can move too, but you better take notice of no cilia. Just use a pseudopod, looks like a fried egg, stretches out like a blob. Amoeba's other parts match a paramecium's, a contractile vacuole. Water out, food vacuole, storing food for energy. And the nucleus, control center, rightfully. You clean up a greener, a third kind of protist, like an animal. No wait, it can be autotrophic, produce its own food like a plant can do. But unlike a plant, it can swim and move. You clean and get around with no pseudopod cilia. It snaps a whip like tail, called flagella to propel it. Your cleaner has an eye spot to look for the sun's light. Uses chloroplasts to make food, autotrophic, right? Protista can be called the junk drawer of science, cause they're hard to categorize. I'm not lying. Single cell, many cell, heterotroph or autotroph, like an animal, a plant, a fungi. They're pretty dope. Most are simple, some are complex. Some can move, others stay at rest. Paramecium, amoeba, and euglena. Amazing little protist, now that you've seen them. There you go.